I'm Bishop Lance Johnson, and I want to invite you to be a part of the Vermont, New Hampshire Revival Network annual conference, Awaken. I believe this year it's going to be very special, and you definitely don't want to miss it. It's going to be held at Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly in Waterbury Center, Vermont. It's going to be starting on Friday, August the 22nd, starting at 7 p.m. I'll be there on Saturday, August 23rd, starting at 9 a.m. You don't want to miss this. Is this going to be a time of impartation? We've all been praying for a move of God in the northeastern United States, and I believe this is our season. It's our time. I just got back from hosting a big crusade in upstate New York, right there at your border, and I'm telling you, the glory and power of God was there for 4 days. We saw a huge harvest of souls, but I'm telling you, the last day, the last night we were there, the glory of God sat down in that place, the tangible presence of God. All of our lives were marked forever. And I believe that it was just the beginning of what God is starting in the Northeast. So listen, don't miss this Awaken conference. It is going to be life-changing. We've all been praying for this move of God. So let's not miss our time and our season. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. God bless.